Yes, we'll go to the topic 3 here. Topic 3, the important points of this few points. This is to find the sum of all the coefficients. You need to put a variable of 1. So the variable place, you're going to keep it as a 1, then you'll get the sum of all the coefficients. Then to find the sum of all the coefficients of alternative, like alternative terms, if you want to calculate, then put the value as -1. Okay, then to find the sum of all the coefficients of even powers, in that series the even powers, if you want to find the sum of all the even powers to calculate the variables even powers, then in place of x you should keep it 1 in the equation 1. Okay, and in the equation, this is the equation 1, and the equation 2 is what? 2. This is equation 1 and equation 2. When you keep x value in the series 1, that is the equation 1, and minus if you keep it, that is the equation 2. This both the values, if you add and divide it by 2, then you will be getting the sum of the coefficients of even powers. Okay, then if this both, if you subtract and divide by 2, if you do it, then the odd powers you're going to get, sum of the coefficients of odd powers. Now we'll do the problem here. Here is, see how the question is given 1 plus x plus 2x square power of 20, and the series was like this. Okay, how many terms you have here till 40? It means from the 0, x0 to a40, a0 to a40, that means 41 terms. Now if this a0, a1, a2, a3 so on is a power of 2 power of a, okay, they only gave in the question, and if this a naught minus a1 plus a2, if this series is 2 power of b, then find the value of a plus b they are asking. Now in this we'll keep it 1, we'll get the value of it. So if x is equals to 1, then what you'll get? 1 plus 1 is 2, and this is 1 square is 1, 1 2 is 2, 2 plus 4, then it is 4 power of 20, right? 4 power of 20 of this total. So this total value is how much they were saying? 2 power of a. That means, can I write it this one as 2 power of 40 is equals to 2 power of a? Then what I'll get? A is equals to 40. Yes, then in this if I keep, if x is equals to -1, if I keep it, then what I am going to get here? 1 minus 1 is 0, and minus 1 square is 1, 1 2 is 2. So 2 power of 20, then I am going to get a naught, and this is a minus a1, a2 minus, so this is the data I am going to get it here. Then that is equals to 2 power of b. So what is the value of b here? It's a 20. So a plus b, the question is a plus b they are asking. So a plus b is what here? 40 plus 20. Your answer is 60. Done? Yes. Now we'll do some other questions. Yeah, we're going to do the other problem here. 1 minus x plus x square power of n. Yes, here they gave the series of this. Then a naught plus a2, a4 and so on. They are asking the value of this one. Right? So here is, what are these even terms, right? These are the even terms. So here's the even powers of those things. What we need to do? 1 and 2 we have to subtract by 2, we need to do it, right? So first of all, if x is equals to 1, we keep, okay? If x is equals to 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 square is 1 power of n is equals to 1 power of n is n, 1 only. Then here I am going to get a naught, a1, a2 plus so on, a2 n x power of 2. X is what? X is 1. So 2 power x 1 power of 2n is 1. So this data I got it, right? Now if I keep x is equals to -1, what I am going to get? minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, and this is also 1, so it is, I'm going to get it as a 3, 1 square minus 1 square is 1, okay. 3 power of n is equals to, now tell me what I'm going to get, minus if I keep it, a naught, and then minus a1 plus a2, then plus a minus a3, so on, here it is even to n, right? Now if I add this both and by 2 if I do it, this is an equation 1 and then equation 2. For this both I am going to add equation 1 plus 2 divided by 2 if I do it. What I get it? 1 plus 3 power of n, this both is equals to this a1 is 2 of a naught, right? Then this both is cancelled. Then this is 2 if I take common, a2, then again here it is minus, this is a plus a3, then this both will get cancelled. So like that alternatively it's going to be cancelled, and a4, so on, a2 and will be left over. This is 4, right? That's what they're asking. Then a0 plus a2 plus a4, so on, a2n. They're asking this value, so that is equals to 1 plus 3 power of n by 2 is your answer. This is what given in the option. So that's the option is 3n plus 1 by 2 is your first one option. This is your answer.